Hale, Zoroaster chuckled. If you understand how Amon can steal away your fate without showing any anomalies, you will be even more terrified. What do you mean by stealing away my fate? Leonard asked, feeling wary and puzzled. Hale's old voice sighed. He will follow you back. Then you'll discover that your parents will be making him their son. Your wife will view him as her husband. Your child will treat him as their father. Your friends, everyone you know, will treat him as you. And you will be the unlucky one. You will lose all connection with the real world and slowly die.